Now we are 2 items away from finishing our item set, and we have to make an apple and a shield. We are going to start with the apple. I'm going to select a base red color, and I'm going to make the basic shape. So we can work with that. I'm going to activate the alpha lock, and I'm going to shade my apple. Something like that. I'm going to add some texture this way. And I'm going to make a hole there. Like that. I'm going to make some highlights. Following the shape of the apple, and I'm going to make a leaf. Going to disable the alpha lock, and I'm going to make a brighter highlight, and maybe I can use another color more for the shadow. Actually no, I don't like that. I think we should need the outline, and we are ready. So my leaf is going to be pointy, so I'm going to make the outline like this. And there we go, we have an apple. I'm just going to add a highlight to the leaf with the bright color of the green potion, like that, and it's done. So to end with making of the item set, we are going to make a shield. So we are working in a really low resolution, and it's really hard to make textures and things like that in this resolution. So for the shield, we are going to do what we can do. So I'm going to start with my basic brush, and I'm going to make the basic shape. I'm going to increase the size of the brush like this. I'm going to leave 1 pixel for the outline. There we go. And I'm going to make a metallic shield. So I'm going to make a golden ring, and the inside is going to be made of silver. I'm going to take my outline color, and I'm going to make an inner line. I'm also going to add the outline right now. And I'm going to shade the ring. I'm going to make some lines, vertical lines. And I'm also going to add a highlight like this. I'm going to pick a darker color, and in the bottom part I'm going to make this, and I'm going to make some vertical lines to add some texture. In this highlight, in the vertical lines, I'm going to change the dark color with a lighter one, like this. And in the dark part, in the vertical lines, I'm going to change it with a darker one. Now in this inner border, I'm going to make a shadow, like this. And in the vertical lines, I'm going to pick the dark color. Actually, I'm going to keep it like that. And there we have a shield. I can, if I want, make another variation. So I can Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I will have another shield. This. And I can make a silver ring, for example. So I can have a shield that is all made of silver, or with an inner, a golden inner. So there we go. We have finished our item set.